In this video, I am going to show you how to use the swap feature in MetaMask portfolio. Swaps puts you in control by gathering data from the decentralized exchange aggregators, market makers, and DX. You can swap one cryptocurrency token for another without needing a centralized exchange, since MetaMask is a self-custodial wallet that grants you full ownership over your private key and you control your assets. To swap tokens, connect your MetaMask wallet to portfolio.metamask.io. Click Swap to get started. Select the network you want to swap from in the drop-down menu, like Ethereum. Select the token you want to swap out. Select the token you want to swap to, like you choose the first one, the one you want to swap out, and the second one, the result, which is the one you want to swap to. Enter the amount of the token you want to be swapped. Select Quotes. Review swap information and select Swap to confirm the transaction. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.